Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up your DJI Mavic Mini controller. So first of all, you gotta open these arms here where you will put your phone in. Then here are the joysticks that's quite smartly hidden away, and then you just screw them in. Here one is on, second one is on. Then you turn these out like this. When I started using this, I always set them like this because I thought this made more sense, but later on I saw on a tutorial video that they should stand like one position higher like this. See? Yeah, and this is the position that you will use it. In a following video I will show you how to set it up and connect it to your phone. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you think this was helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and see you in the next one. Bye.